Hello students, welcome to our class. Now here we are going to study about our second lesson, the mother who loved the poor. Here mother means Mother Teresa. This is a story about Mother Teresa. Let us start our lessons. You listen carefully. Sabina, an old and poor widow suffering from a serious disease, lived in a slum in Kolkata. Story is in Kolkata. One named lady named Sabina. She has suffering from a serious disease. Disease means bimari. Lived in a slum area. Slum means this type of area. And she without food for me cared her, and nobody gave her alms. Alms means help, donation of money or food. Cared for her, nobody gave her alms, and suffered from leprosy. Leprosy means this type of disease. Leprosy means this. This is leprosy. She lay in her hut, waiting for death. When she heard the sound of footsteps, she slowly opened her eyes, and there stood a woman clad means dressed, sari with blue border. One sari with blue border. The woman was Mother Teresa. Who came there? Mother Teresa came there. Mother took her to the mission. Mother took her to the take her and go to mission house. She looked after her. She cared him. She gave food. Who gave food? Mother Teresa gave food to Sabina, and she cared for her all types of help. She gave all helps. This is how Mother Teresa helped the poor and needy. This type of help she helped to the poor and needy people. She is known as her name, the 20th saint of 20th century. She was the messenger of God. On earth. Let us know more about the great soul who visited our earth. Mother Teresa was born on 27th August 1910. She was Christian, named Agnes. She has named, which name gave her parents to her name Agnes name. Agnes was the youngest of 3 children of her parents. Her parents has total 3 children. So one of the youngest is this Mother Teresa. When Agnes was 9 years old, and her father died, Drana, her mother's name is Drana, an ordinary housewife. She had to look after the family, and she started earn her money by sewing embroidery works. Drana was a religious woman. Religious means Mahat. She never failed to call the children in the evening to pray together. Daily she called her children with a pray. Very charitable also. Drana is a very charitable. Charitable means Dayashil. Charitable also. She was moved by the misery of the people. Misery means great suffering, or this great suffering. This misery of the people and needy. She gave all help to the poor, miserable living in her neighborhood. मतलब चारों तरफ जो needy people, poor people रहता है, उन लोग को हर help देता था, हर help. This kind of attitude of her mother filled in Agnes' love for this type of attitude, his mother's attitude, with filled in Agnes' mind, and she also loved for others. Agnes was 18 years old. She decided to spend her life. When 18 years old, she decided to her life doing God's work. He doing God's work. This way on 25th September 1928, she joined a group of religious sisters. She joined a group of religious sisters called Loreto sisters. She took a name Teresa for herself. Then she take another name. What is Teresa name? Took a new name Teresa for herself. Sister Teresa, take next page. Sister Teresa to Kolkata and worked in a hospital. When 18 years old, she joined a religious sisters group, and then she go to Kolkata in a worked in a hospital. She later became a headmistress of headmistress of one of the school in Kolkata, famous school. This school is near to the slum area. Near to the slum area. The poor conditions in which the people lived moved her. Her people in Saturday evening she go to the slum area and help to the needy people. Mother Teresa heard God's voice telling her to live with the poor. She wanted to live to the convent. She left from the convent and go to slum area. It was not easy thing. She had to wait for many years. She waited for many years from the permission from the convent. She left from the convent. She started wearing a cheap dress. Then she started wearing a white cheap dress with a blue border sari she wear. Soon she became common figure in the slums and street of Kolkata. Common figure means sada. Common figure in the slum area, and inspired by her love for a poor. A young Bengali girl joined her mission to improve the lot of the neglected, and she together with help to the poor people. Though she was born in Yugoslavia, Yugoslavia is another country. Not here, not in India. She born in Yugoslavia, another country. She adopted India as her country. She come to India and adopted. This is my country. Adopted her country. She got many national and international awards. Get it? Awards for her good work for the poor around the world. Mother Teresa received the Nobel Prize in 1979 and Bharat Ratna in 1980, and she also received Pope John XXIII Peace of 1971 and India's Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Understanding in 1972. Many awards and national and international awards get Mother Teresa. And on 5th September 1997, Mother Teresa died of a heart attack. And it was a great loss felt. felt worldwide. Mother Teresa shall always be remembered for her loving and famous kindness.
Charity.
And, okay, this chapter is over. You read it well and learn it well. Okay, get it? Okay, bye bye.